Hello guys, welcome to this video where we will be explaining the e-commerce platform. This is the admin panel of an e-commerce platform that we had built, and this video will guide you with all the sections, all the features that an admin can see in his or her e-commerce platform. Let's get started. So there are the statistics for total users and products, the recent orders and the recent products that have been registered on the platform. Admin can also see the daily reports from here. Then when you click on the users section on the left panel, you can check the new users who've been added to the platform, who have registered on your platform as a seller. And in there you can also check the individual details like the actions, his name, the seller's post, the seller's followers, followings. The next menu on the section is product attributes, under which you can check all the categories, subcategories, colors and the size management details. On clicking category section, the admin can check the new categories. The admin also has the rights to add new categories on the e-commerce platform. By clicking the subcategories, an admin can create a new subcategory under a category that he or the seller has created and then add the names accordingly. Under the colors management section, the admin can check the ID of the products along with the color names and the color codes. Also the status. You can check all the entries over here. And under the size management section, the admin can check the sizes of every product in every category and subcategory added on the panel. On clicking the product management menu, an admin can view the details of every product that the front-end sellers have registered on the platform. This includes the details of product name, seller name, brand name, original prices, selling prices, and under which category they have been registered. The seller can also perform the operation of looking at every minute detail of the product by clicking on the actions column. This includes the sizes, quantity, and the likes and comments that the product has received on this platform. Next on the menu is order management. Under order management section, the admin can view the status and track the order's status. For example, it can be either in the pending stage, or the order payment has been completed, or it is in transit. You can also perform the operation of viewing whether the order was rejected or whether the order was successfully delivered. The next module on this e-commerce platform is very unique, which is the offer management. Under offer management, the admin can view every single offer that has been made by the buyer as a counter of the original price kept by the seller. The seller can either put it in under the pending status or under the accepted status. The next one is referral management, wherein the admin can float offers and discounts. Either it can be a flat discount or via a percentage discount for the buyers. The next module on this admin panel is the transaction history. The admin can view the transaction status of every amount that has been credited to the seller. Up next is the discounts section. So over here, the admin can float discounts for buyers directly, and buyers can enjoy the benefits of the same via the coupon codes. And over here, you can also see that the admin can set up the type and the amount of discount that he wants to give to the buyers. Up next is the contact us section. So this is basically a form that is visible on the front end of the platform, wherein the buyers can directly reach out for any of the feedback that they want to give regarding the e-commerce platform to the admin. Lastly, there is the CMS, which is totally under the control of the admin. So all the three categories that you can see, terms and conditions, privacy and policy, and the about us section, can be directly controlled and edited by the admin. The next menu is the configurations. In configurations, first comes the notification management, which are some of the very general notifications that can be sent as push notice to the users. Also, there is an option for the admin to create or add any new notification as and when required. up next is the app version under the configuration section, wherein whenever there's a new update, the admin can make it either a force update or give an option to the users to update later. Next are the in general settings under the configurations, which are the site-wide basic information for the e-commerce platforms, Twitter or Facebook or all other website information. Next comes the Stripe management, which is the payment gateway module, and this enables either keeping the Stripe bank detail activation off or on for the users. Also, this uses the split payment module in which the benefits are received by the admin and the sellers. Lastly, there's an FAQs section, which can be the basic general questions that any user would have regarding the e-commerce platform. The admin has whole and sole right to edit these questions, and they will be immediately reflected on the front end. So that was the dashboard of our e-commerce platform admin panel.
So guys, this is all about the core features of our platform. Other than that, there are many advanced features like referrals, coupon code management, shipping via third party, multi-currency, multi-languages, etc. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please get in touch with us to discuss more in a brief.